Imagine an AI assistant that can read and analyze a document longer than the entire Harry Potter series in seconds. That's Claude AI, and it just hit a valuation of $350 billion. Let's break down what makes this AI so special. Claude AI is a family of advanced language models and a chatbot created by Anthropic, a company founded in 2021 by former OpenAI researchers. They had one clear mission: build AI that's helpful, honest, and above all, safe. Unlike other AI systems, Claude was built with something called constitutional AI, a set of ethical principles baked right into its training. Think of it like giving the AI a moral compass from day one. Today, Claude serves over 300,000 business customers and generates more than $5 billion in annual revenue. But how does it actually work? Let's dive in. At its core, Claude is a large language model, a neural network trained on massive amounts of text, code, and images. When you ask it a question, it predicts the most likely helpful response based on patterns it learned during training. But here's where Claude gets interesting. It doesn't just memorize answers, it critiques itself. The constitutional AI system lets Claude evaluate its own responses against ethical guidelines and revise them before you ever see the output. Claude comes in different versions: Haiku for speed, Sonnet for balanced performance, and Opus for maximum intelligence. It's like choosing between a bicycle, a car, or a jet depending on your needs. One standout feature: Claude can handle up to 200,000 tokens at once, roughly 100,000 words. The newest Opus model even supports 1 million tokens. That's like reading an entire book and remembering every detail instantly. Claude also processes images, not just text. From version 3 onward, you can upload charts, diagrams, or photos, and Claude will analyze them. It sees and understands visual information alongside your written questions. Unlike some AI tools, Claude doesn't natively browse the web in real time. However, it recently gained web search capabilities through an API launched in May 2025, letting it access current information when needed. Claude can even interact with computer interfaces. With a beta feature called Computer Use, it can move the cursor, click buttons, and type text, essentially performing tasks across multiple applications like a digital assistant. So what can you actually do with Claude? The possibilities are vast, from writing and editing to coding, research, customer support, and even complex data analysis. Let's look at some real-world examples. Content creators use Claude to draft emails, reports, marketing copy, and articles. It refines tone, improves structure, and helps you say exactly what you mean, faster and clearer than you might on your own. Developers rely on Claude Code for writing, debugging, and explaining complex code. It supports languages like Python and JavaScript and recently became available in Visual Studio Code and JetBrains in May 2025. Businesses use Claude to analyze financial reports, legal contracts, and market trends. It processes massive documents, extracts key insights, and even helps detect risks, all while keeping data secure and private. Claude even made history in January 2026 by helping NASA's Perseverance rover navigate on Mars, the first AI-assisted drive on another planet. From Earth to Mars, Claude's impact is truly out of this world. Customer support teams automate responses, legal professionals analyze contracts faster, and manufacturers optimize supply chains. Claude adapts to nearly every industry, enhancing efficiency without replacing human judgment. And Claude is growing fast, with major investments from Amazon, Google, Microsoft, and NVIDIA totaling over $37 billion in funding. Anthropic is pushing the boundaries of what safe, powerful AI can do. So that's Claude AI, a safe, powerful assistant built to help, not replace. Whether you're writing, coding, analyzing, or exploring, Claude is designed to make your work smarter and faster. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.